Well, I've always had my eye on the Cookery School, and a friend of mine had completed the bakery course, and on the website I saw that they had a scholarship position available. I applied, not thinking I'd get in, and I did, and I'm very grateful for that. I think I've taken away a lot of things, but the main thing is to caramelise your onions for at least 15 minutes.
I took away from lots of skills, obviously lots of new skills. Also probably the main thing is to kind of believe that I can cook, because I think that is probably my biggest issue.
And what is next for you?
Hopefully to be a freelance chef, private dinner parties, working for companies, and then to be the next Nigella Dawson.
So why did you choose Cookery School?
Cooking has always been a hobby and a passion of mine, and I recently decided to turn it into a career, so I came here to give myself more skills and confidence in the kitchen. I think the whole course just made me a more streamlined, more disciplined chef. I think it's taught me a lot about organisation and timing and prep, which are the things that I think really get overlooked in day-to-day cooking. I have a trial shift soon and hopefully go into the world of professional cooking and become a professional chef, gain some skills and then see from there.
I chose Cookery School because it was among the top cooking schools in London, and coming from San Francisco, it really overlapped with a lot of my philosophy and interests in environmental and sustainability options.
I chose Cookery School particularly because my long-suffering girlfriend used to work here in a different life, and she said that it doesn't really compare to any others and that it's just a level above, and I can confirm that that is the case, having now done it.
I've learned a lot about the cooking and the recipes and how to measure things and how to be more precise with the cooking.
I choose Cookery School because cooking always has been joy to me, and when I remember my mom, she used to be in the kitchen all day to cook for us like a meal. She spent like a few hours or like 3 to 4 hours to cook that meal, and we just like eat it. And so it's kind of to appreciate that and how I see myself in the kitchen. So I thought, why not? I'll choose that and go for it.